guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rhea and in today's video I will be sharing with you the swatches of the newly launched Maybelline Vinyl Superstay Ink lipsticks. They are really very much in trend. I know these videos are all over the YouTube now already, but I thought I'll show you how they look on my skin tone. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and now without any further ado, let's get into the video. Now talking about these lipsticks, I have 5 shades here. Also, if you want to watch the swatches, I'll leave the timings on the screen. You can just go forward and watch the swatches. But first, let me talk about the lipsticks. Now, I've tested 2 shades of these lipsticks on my everyday work schedule. I used it for the whole day because I wanted to check if they are really transfer proof, if they are really gonna stay that long, because 16 hours is a huge claim and I just wanted to be sure before I share a review with you guys. Coming to the packaging, I really like the packaging of the lipsticks. It helps you know the color of the lipstick that you're trying to use. Quality is really good. They have that nice glossy effect on them. Coming to the applicator, I really love the applicator. Again, it's really smooth, glides really easily on my lips. This is how it looks. I really love how it glides on the lips, making it really easy to apply. The shine stays for 12 to 13 hours compared to claims they have made. This particular pure shine, the gloss stays for 12 to 13 hours. Even if you eat or drink or talk a lot, still the gloss, the shiny effect stays for 12 to 13 hours, and also doesn't feel sticky. Your lips won't stick at all. So that is one more thing that I love. Again, your hair won't go and stick to your lips. I think most of the girls who use a gloss are always irritated with the fact that when it's too windy outside, your hair tends to stick on your lips, but this will not stick your hair. You can see that it's really very comfortable formula. It doesn't make your lips sticky. Doesn't feel really heavy on the lips as well. One coat, one swipe and you're good to go, because they are highly pigmented. When I say highly, you really need to be careful, because if you're using these lipsticks and if you drop it, you'll stain badly because they are really very pigmented. Transfer proof for sure, because you can see it doesn't transfer at all, no matter which glass you drink your sip or no matter where you kiss. I think these just don't transfer. And one more thing that is the best about these lipsticks are that they have a vegan formula. I think a lot of people are making that shift to vegan, being a vegan, and these lipsticks have that factor. They are vegan. And one more thing you can notice is I just did a transfer test and you can see the gloss is still intact on my lips. It just doesn't go. So that's that. Now let's move on to the swatches. The shade that I'm wearing is 10 Lippy. This is the shade and it's my favorite amongst all the 5 that I have. So I hope you've watched the swatches and you will know what to buy and which color to go for. And that's all for today's video, guys. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.